This neutral wire comes from the panel. We connect it to one side of the light. And that neutral one will continue and ends at the switch box. This black wire coming from the panel too. This wire will be the live wire from breaker number 1. That black live wire runs through the box where the light is, but without any connection, because it will go directly to the switch box. When this switch closes here, the current from the live wire will return through the red one that is connected to the light fixture. Let's assume this is the light fixture box. And let's assume this is the switch box. The live wire passes unconnected through the light box and continues directly to the switch box. When the switch closes, the live wire connects to the red wire, and the light turns on using the yellow neutral wire on the other side of the light, and continues to the switch box in case it is necessary for certain types of switches. And also something important that we cannot forget. We have the ground wire, which connects to the metal of all the boxes, and connect to the green ground screw of the switch. The light fixture is also grounded for protection. Those conductors would be the 14-2 cable that come from the electrical panel all the way to the light fixture box. And this would be the 14/3 cable, 1, 2, and 3, that we connect from the light fixture box to the switch box. Here we write switch, and here we are going to write light fixture. And here we're going to write electrical panel. We opened the knockout on the panel, and we installed a 1/2 inch Romex connector. We feed the 1/2 inch Romex through the connector, leaving it long enough to reach the breaker we will be using. We connect the other end of the 14-2 Romex cable to the light fixture box using a plastic Romex connector. And we must tighten the screws on the connectors. We installed another plastic connector on the light fixture box. To electrically connect it to the switch box, we installed 14-3 Romex from the light fixture box to the switch box. We connect the other end of the 14-3 Romex cable, which comes from the light fixture box, to the switch box. We have stripped the insulation from the 14-2 Romex at the electrical panel. We have the ground wire, which is this one. You can see that the ground wire and Romex cable is bare. The white wire, which will be the neutral, and we have the live black wire. What we need to make something work, just the line. The ground wire that will go here, the neutral wire that will go to this neutral bar or to this other one, and the live black wire that will be installed in the breaker. We see that the ground wire comes along here, and it is installed here on the ground bar. The black wire, which will serve as the live wire, is installed in breaker number 1, and the white neutral wire is installed on the neutral bar. The Romex 14-2 that comes from the panel. Bare wire does not count. Black and white, we know that is the line. In this other one, we have 3, plus the ground wire. We have black, red, and white. If, for example, we connect this light between the live wire and the neutral wire, the light will always be on. For that reason, we run the live black wire directly to the switch. That is why we joined the 2 black wires and covered them up. That black wire goes directly to the switch when it connects with the red one at the switch. So, here the light will shine between the red wire and the neutral. We've already installed the mud ring on this switch box, and we've attached the ceiling ring to the light fixture box. As we can see, we have reinstalled the light bulb that have no ground connection between the red wire and the neutral. Now here in the switch box, when we connect the live black wire to the red switch leg wire, just as the switch would do, the light will turn on. This base will secure the light fixture to the ceiling. We rotate the light fixture to remove it from the base. This light fixture has a switch here to choose the intensity and color of light that we like. We have already mounted the light to the box, and here we have the one coming from the switch, the neutral and the ground. We have installed the ground, the neutral, and the red one coming from the switch. We turned on the wall switch. The light changes color via this switch, changing the position of the switch. We will leave it at that intensity and mount it. We mount the light and turn it to the right. We have installed the switch. We can see the 2 screws of a single pole switch. They are the same color because both wires can be installed on any screw. And here we have the grounding installation. We have installed the switch and put on the cover. The light should turn on when we hit the top and turn off when we hit the bottom. We have removed the standard switch to install a dimmer switch here. This dimmer switch has 2 black wires They can be connected to either of the two wires that interrupt the circuit. And the ground wire goes here. We have connected one of the dimmer wires to the live wire, the other black wire of the dimmer on the red one that returns to the light, and the ground wire. If we turn on the power, it's down. If we flip it up, the light will turn on. If we continue upwards, the intensity of the light will increase, and as you lower it, the light intensity decreases until it turns off.